Ayon sa DFA, mahalagang makapag-ugnayan o mapag-ugnay ang contingency plans ng Pilipinas at Seoul para mabigyan ng shelter ang mga Pilipino doon. Si Aya Makalma nag-uulat.
Ang pangunahing misyon ng ating pamahalaan ay matiyak na mayroong masisilungan ang lahat ng mga Pilipinong nasa South Korea oras sa sumiklab ang gulo sa Korean Peninsula. Ayon kay Foreign Affairs Secretary Albert Del Rosario, kapag tinuloy ni North Korean President Kim Jong-un ang kanyang banta, ay walang oras ang ating embahada sa Seoul na i-repatriate ang ibong OFWs.
I think we're dealing with provocative rhetoric at this time, and of course there's the probable launch of the test missile. So we're taking a good look at what the implications are of all of this. But you know, as I see it, if we were to say to our people, you need to come home, I don't think that we will get many people to respond anyway. But what we're trying to do is we're trying to combine the contingency plans of Seoul, where most of our people are.
Kung kaya't isa sa mga contingency plan ng Department of Foreign Affairs ay makikisilong ang mga Pilipino sa mga bomb shelters. Dahil bawat gusali sa Seoul ay mayroong bomb shelters para maprotektahan ang lahat ng sibilyan.
Our people are working around the periphery in factories, and we understand that in Korea, the Korean government has provided for shelters. In every building there's a shelter. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that our people have access to these shelters. Because if we're talking of use of weapons of mass destruction, we don't really have time to repatriate, right? So we need to get something where they can run into it right away. I mean, we want to make sure that each one of them knows exactly where to go.
Iyan ang naisiguruhin ng kalihim kay Ambassador to Seoul na si Luis Cruz. Sa ngayon ay nananatiling nasa heightened alert ng ating embahada sa Seoul. At kailangan munang siguruhin ng kalihim ang kasalukuyang sitwasyon sa Korean Peninsula bago itaas ang alert level.
As they say, there are 4 categories, no? So I want to find out whether number 1 is war already, number 2 is vital. So I want to know if vital is the same as eminent, no?
Para sa telebisyon, Aya Makalma.